Hello and welcome, students. My name is Shampa. Today we are going to study direct proportions. So let us understand what do we mean by direct proportions. Say we have two quantities and they depend on each other in such a way that a change in one results in a corresponding change in the other, then the two quantities are said to be in variation. Say, if you buy more number of articles, the cost will be more. Say, if we travel more distance, the consumption of petrol will be more. If we add more sweetener, the sweetness of the tea or coffee will be more. So, this is a situation where a change in one quantity directly affects the other quantity. So, let us express it mathematically. Two quantities x and y are said to be in direct proportion. If the value of x increases or say decreases, then the value of y will also increase or decrease in the same proportion. And the value of x and y, say x and y is a rational number, and if we change the value of x, the value of y will also change in a way that the final value of x and y will remain same. Let me explain it with the help of an example. Let's say cost of two pencils is rupees, I'm sorry, cost of two pencils is rupees 4. So if you buy 4 pencils, you will pay rupees 8. So if we convert it in the standard form, this will be 1 by 2 and this will also be 1 by 2. Now if you buy 8 pencils, you will have to pay rupees 16. So this is again 1 by 2. So this is what we understand by direct proportion. Let us understand it with the help of few examples. A car covers 432 kilometers in 36 liters of petrol. How much distance would it cover in 25 liters of petrol? If you remember this question, we did it earlier using the unitary method, but this time it will get simpler if we use the direct proportions. So let's begin. So here we made two columns. Here we have, in the first instance, we have the quantity of petrol, that is 36 liters. When 36 liters of petrol was consumed, the distance traveled was 432 kilometers. Now we consume 25 liters of petrol. We have to find out how much distance has been traveled. So let us consider it x. Now we know that they are proportional. So we can write it like this. 36 by 432 is equal to 25 by x. Why are they proportional? Because if you use more petrol, you will be able to travel more distance. If you use less petrol, you will be able to travel less distance. So they are directly proportional. That is, the distance traveled by 36 liters of petrol will be proportional to distance traveled by 25 liters of petrol. So we can write it like this. Here we can say this is x and this is y. This is, let's say this is x1 and this is y1. And let this be x2 and y2. And we know they are proportional. x1 by y1 is proportional to x2 by y2. So let's work it out. So we have 36 and 432. This is 1 by 12. And let's work it out. We have x equal to 25 into 12. which is 300 kilometers. So simple and so easy. Let's verify it. For 36 kilometers, he traveled for 36 liters of petrol, he traveled 432 kilometers. Let's see if it is proportional to this new data that we have. 36 by 432 is 1 by 12. 25 by 300 is again 1 by 12. So they are equal. The left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So here is a tip. Whenever you, in the exam, whenever you find the solution and you need to recheck if they are correct or not, put the value, put the value of the unknown and check if the left hand side is directly proportional to the right hand side, and it will be verified and you are sorted. So that's it for the day. This is about direct proportions, but we will do few more numericals based on that.